Hey everyone out there, it's Steve. I survived. Life is good. I have a new knee. You'll see here I got the bandages still on. I've got a lot of swelling. Normal. Pretty large bruise. Not real comfortable, but not bad. Knee's functioning well. First though, I really want to thank everybody that reached out. Wow. You guys really hit home. It's been a long journey, and getting a little emotional. Sorry. I had no idea how bad that was messed up, and how painful it really was until now. It's doing great. So it was a very long road, and I had no idea how much pain was radiating through this. I mean, I knew it hurt. It kept me up at night. It hurt to walk on. But when you don't deal with that amount of pain anymore, I haven't taken any painkillers for this. This is Tylenol and ibuprofen. So it's not the most comfortable experience, but it's far from what it was before the surgery. So I have no complaints, and I would absolutely recommend a Jiffy knee to anybody that's looking at getting a new knee replacement. This is day 10. I'm almost to the point where I can walk again. Not real great, but I am able to take a few steps without a walker. I have 98 degrees of flexation as of yesterday's second physical therapy appointment. So it's coming along. I'm pretty stoked. Not gonna lie on that one. I've still got a long road of recovery, but I'm back in the van now. Tonight will be the first night that I actually get to sleep in my van again, and I'm really stoked on that. A big shout out to Drew for sharing his house with me and loaning me his spare room so I could get to this point. I'm looking back now, and I remember thinking I was just going to be good to go, be in the van in a day or two at the most. Yeah, it wouldn't have worked. I can see that now. I just didn't have enough flex in my knee. I will gain more flex daily probably from now until this swelling goes down. The swelling could be here a couple months. It could be here a couple weeks. It's really just kind of depends on how it heals. But right now, it's all looking good. Physical therapist is extremely happy. She's said I'm way ahead of where she expected us to be at this point, and I'm not pushing it. I know this is my life. So, again, still, it's a life-changing event for me, and it's something I don't take lightly. So, I appreciate you guys out there sticking with me. We're getting close to going camping actually again in the wilderness. Once I can walk without a walker, which it's in the front seat, again, and then we'll start looking at going out and doing some better camping videos and stuff like that. But for now, I just want to recover and keep going. It's so exciting for me to know the possibilities of what's coming. Yeah. Truly a life-changing event. Let's see what else. The Vanagon yesterday, it had a little hiccup, and I finally figured out what it was. It took me a while to kind of brainstorm what it was, but I had a frozen throttle. It was sticking, and it wasn't because parts weren't moving correctly. It was actually frozen because we've had several heat thaw cycles over the last couple weeks, and I must have had moisture or something up in there. But today, good to go. Got it started, ran great. That was kind of interesting when the throttle hung at 4,500 RPMs, and I'm in town trying to get back to Drew's house after making a run to the store. But yeah, that seems to be have warmed up and cleaned itself out today, so life is good again, and we'll be back on the road here shortly. We're getting closer. Maybe a couple more weeks before we're completely ready to go out and do some bush camping, but we're making progress, and I appreciate you. So thank you for sticking around, and we got some fun adventures coming, I can already tell you. So take care.